Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 Vlogs. The city of Melbourne is proud to support lively street culture and greatly values the diversity of entertainment that buskers provide within public places. Busking is a public performance in exchange for a donation. This may include playing of a musical instrument, singing, giving a recitation, or performing any conjuring, juggling, puppetry, mime, dance, or other entertainment, or doing any of those things concurrently. Busking also includes pavement art such as chalk art, drawing, and painting. Come join us and let us enjoy together this busking street performance in Melbourne, Australia.
Can you stand next to Kiki? Stay over on this side.
You guys want to see juggling? Yeah! Alright, here we go. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1. Yes!
yeah.
Thank you very much, everyone. Guys, here to go.
Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.